Alright, I think I'm ready now. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today, of course, because it's hot as hell outside, we're going to be doing a wash and go. For styler, I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Ice Curls Gloss Curling Jelly. This is a sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicone product. It is enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. So it says definition, elongation, and sensual shine. Treat your curls, waves, twists, or locks to this intensive moisture remedy infused with hydrating grapeseed and almond oils and marshmallow root for softness, superior hydration, and manageability. This is a 15-ounce jar. The directions say you can use daily or as needed. Works best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair. For wash and go styles, apply throughout sections of freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, raking through hair with fingers, then finger styling into place. Air dry or use a diffuser on a light setting. The gel also says you can use it for twist braids and coils. It says to apply to sections of hair, then use a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly from roots to ends. Prepare each section according to desired style and allow hair to completely dry, then take down each section and style as desired. You can use it with other products from the grapeseed oil collection. They also have a style glue for like updos or for like your edges. They also have a foam. There's also a shampoo and a conditioner. Be sure to watch the video prior to this one if you want to see a demo and review on the conditioner. The conditioner can be used as a rinse out or you can use it as a deep conditioner. But today we're going to focus on the gel. I did look at Miss Quinray's video and she used this with the Camiro's honey leave-in, and y'all know I'm a little leery with that after using that with the TGIN custard. So I didn't want to use that, but I did want to use something lightweight that I was certain wouldn't flake, but was also going to give me some good hydration underneath the gel. So today I'm going to be using the Alkae Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In. So this is going to give me some good moisture, but it's also clear when it goes on, so I don't have to worry about it leaving some type of white residue. So the gel looks like a gel. It's pretty thick. It's a pretty thick gel, and it's, oh yeah, that's a really thick gel, and it's really smooth too. So as always, the ingredients for this will be in the description box, so be sure to check down there if you have any questions on the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair and go ahead and apply the leave-in and the gel. I'm gonna go pretty heavy-handed with this. Make sure it's thoroughly distributed in the section. And like I said, it goes on clear, so I shouldn't have to worry about this causing any flakes or curdling once I apply the gel. I'm actually going to break this down into an even smaller section because I really want to make sure I get the gel all throughout. About that much. Go on with a good bit of the gel. The texture of this is giving me wet line. Gel is definitely giving me some slip, and it's going on super smooth. That's a good time. That's a good time. The texture of this is definitely similar to Wetline Extreme Gel. It's also very similar and kind of reminds me of their, what's it called? Of their Don't Shrink Gel. So the first portion of my hair is already done. I'm going to go ahead and spray the leave-in and apply the gel throughout the rest of my hair. Spray my hair down with a little bit of water, smooth the product through my hair, and then go ahead and sit under the dryer. I'll come back with my final thoughts. I'm back and my hair is mostly dry. I haven't stretched it or anything like that. It's still slightly damp in the roots, but we have things to do. Final thoughts on the ice curls from Aunt Jackie. I like it. My hair is super shiny. There is a cast because I was quite heavy-handed with it. My hair doesn't feel crunchy like it would with like a wet line gel or like an eco gel. I can feel that there are oils in this gel. And again, I will have the ingredients in the description box. I enjoyed this. I don't even know if you can see, but I was quite heavy-handed with the gel. I did use the gel on like towel dried hair. My hair was still damp, but I feel like I probably could have used a lot less if my hair was dripping wet. Even with me slathering it on like a relaxer, my hair still has body. It still has a little bit of volume to it, and I know it's just going to get bigger and bigger, shorter, but bigger throughout the next few days. I will say I'm not 100% sure if it's indestructible, like say the Main Choice Braid Out Glaze or the Cheers Gelato, also from Main Choice. I don't know if this cast is going to be indestructible like that, but I'm curious to see how it holds up. My hair feels really moisturized. I think it was a great choice pairing it with the lemongrass leave-in from Alakay, because again, I didn't have to worry about anything coagulating and creating like flakes and residue all throughout my hair. I will say that this is not like uber slippery or anything like that, but the gel made up for that. The gel was so smooth going on and really clumped my curls together. So I'm probably going to go through like this one here and separate it and fluff and give myself a little more volume once it's completely dry. Like I said, it is a little bit damp still in the roots. This is a good time. I think this was $9 and I got it from House of Beauty because I was not about to pay $9 for the gel and then $9 shipping through Naturally Curly. I just wasn't going to be able to do that. So definitely check out House of Beauty. I also think this line is in your local beauty supply store, so be sure to pick it up there as well. And definitely let me know down below if you want me to do a comparison video between the ice curls and the Don't Shrink gel. I think that about sums it up. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you tried the gel and if you liked it. Let me know if you have any other gels that you would suggest or recommend that you want me to do a video on. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.